Hello friends, in this video I am going to read 26 to 66 line from the canto first of the famous poem Rape of the Lock, written by Alexander Pope. Here to be noted, Alexander Pope is a leading figure of the neoclassical movement in 18th century English literature. The poem Rape of the Lock is a mock epic masterpiece that treats a trivial event with the serious style of classical epic. Now let's dive into the poem.
Fairest of mortals, thou distinguished care of thousand bright inhabitants of air, if ever one vision touched thy infant thought, of all the nurse and all the priest have taught, of airy elves by moonlight shadows seen, the silver token and the circled green, or virgins visited by angel powers with golden crowns and wreaths of heavenly flowers. Hear and believe, thy own importance know, nor bound thy narrow views to things below. Some secret truths from learned pride concealed, to maids alone and children are revealed. What though no credit doubting wits may give, the fair and innocent shall still believe. Know then, unnumbered spirits round thee fly, the light militia of the lower sky. These, though unseen, are ever on the wing, hang over the box and hover round the ring. Think what an equipage thou hast in air, and view with scorn 2 pages and a chair. As now your own, our beings were of old, and once enclosed in women's beauteous mould. Thence, by a soft transition, we repair from earthly vehicles to these of air. Think not, when woman's transient breath is fled, that all her vanities at once are dead. Succeeding vanities she still regards, and though she plays no more, overlooks the cards. Her joy in gilded chariots when alive, and love of owner after death survive. For when the fair in all their pride expire, to their first elements their souls retire. The sprites of fiery ptarmigans in flame mount up and take a salamander's name. Soft yielding minds to water glide away and sip with nymphs their elemental tea. The graver prude sinks downward to a gnome in search of mischief skill on earth to roam. The light coquettes in sylphs aloft repair and sport and flutter in the fields of air.